What's up, guys? It's Joseph Take. So, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook login page. How to create a Facebook login page. So, by the end of this video, we should achieve this. We should achieve this by the end of this video. We'll achieve this: the Facebook background, the logo, the phone number, password, login, forget password, and create Facebook account. So, let's begin, guys. I've already created a new Android Studio project. Already created a new Android Studio project. You can see it here. A new Android Studio project. I've already created it. So the first thing to do here is to change it from no action from dark action bar to no action bar. Change the resources from dark action bar to no action bar. So for you to do that, go to your app, go to resources, resources, go to value, under value, go to themes, and change this theme one, the first theme to no action bar. From dark action bar, remove the dark and change it to no, and this remove the dark and change it to no. So once you're done with that, let's proceed. So I've already gotten a background and Facebook logo that we are going to use for this. I've already gotten a background and Facebook logo that we're going to use for this. This is it here. I see this is the background and Facebook logo that we're going to use for this. So copy it, and paste it in your drawable. Paste in your Android Studio drawable. So done. So we have to change this to relative layout. Change the relative layout. So change this text view, remove the text view, remove everything. So now the next thing for us now is to add our background. So adding our background, we click on we choose relative layout, type relative layout. The up will be match parent, and the down will be 200 dp. So after that, we add our background, our background, which is Facebook login background. So you can see it. It's our background there. It's our background there. So after this, we go down. So we have already had our background now. The next thing for us to do is to add. So the next thing for us to do is to add our logo. That's the next thing we have to do is to add our logo. Then we add our logo at the middle down here. So that is the next thing to do. So for us to add our logo, you have to come to just come down a little and just come down a little and type image view, image, image view. So our up will be wrap content and down will be wrap content. So after that, we add our source. That's our image view, our source, SRC. So our source will be logo. You can see it there. So we change it to let's do the padding. Our padding will be 70 dp. So let's centralize it. For us to centralize it, layout, center zone, it's through. So you are good to go. You can see our background and our logo is done. Yeah, so let's go out of this relative layout. Let's go out of this relative layout. I see. Let's go out of this relative layout, and so guys, we have to put our ID here. ID to name our background. So the ID should be um login background. So no, let's just put it background. Get me? So you have to come out from this creative layout, and let's add our text down here. Let's add our text down here. So for us to do this, we have to type linear layout. So our to be match parent, match parent, and we are going to add our orientation. Our orientation will be vertical. So we are going to add our layout below background. So we are going there. So the next thing for us to do now is to so the next thing for us to do now is to add our test. So for us to add our test, we come down here and add edit test. Edit test. Come down to just come down a little. All right, edit test. Edit test. So our up will be match parent, and our down will be 64 dp. Int will be int will be it will be phone or email or email. Okay, so yeah, sorry guys, I'm back. So our int will be phone or email, and also our padding will be 8 dp. Padding will be 8 dp. So we can copy this and do same for the password also. We copy this, copy this, and use same for the password also. So change this to password. So we change the input type to password. Input type test password. So that the test will not be visible. So you have to add the login button here now. That's the next thing for us to do. To add the login button. So the next thing for us to do is to add the login button. So to add the login button, just have to come down here and come down. We come down and add button. So the up will be match content, match parent, and the down will be wrap content. So after this, we come down and put our Andriod test. Our test will be login. That will be login. And also our test, all caps. Our test all caps will be false. So our test all should be the test all caps should be false. So after that we add our Android padding. Our padding will be 12 dp, 12 dp padding. So the next thing for us to do now is to add the forget password. So adding forget password, we have to come down and add our test view, add our test view. So up will be match or will match parent, and down will be wrap content. And also you come down and type forget password that Android test we forget password. So the test style, test style will be bold, and also we add our graffiti. We put our graffiti at center. So we add our text color. Our text color, I only have the color code, so let's put the color code there, which is hash 0523A5. So that's the text color here. So the next thing for us to do here is to add the divider here in between all. So we have to add it now. So that's the next thing for us to do here. So adding the divider, so we come down, our linear layout. The up will be wrap content, the up will be match content, and down will be wrap content. So we add the orientation, will be horizontal. And let's come down here again and please just flow with me and as we drive in. So under this we add our view, add our view, and it will be match parent and 1 dp, 1 dp. So our text background, our text background there, our background will be color code E7, E7, E7. Type here our color code. So we continue and come down and put our test view. Test view. So our test view will be wrap content and also wrap content. So we had our test, Android test. Our test will be all, and we add our view. Can copy this view here and paste. So let's make the all capital letter. All. So let's copy this view here and put. So we had our layout with here, should be 100 height 1 dp, and the color code that. So we come back up here to change it to centralize it. You can see the line is already drawn, but it's just to centralize it. So for us to centralize it, let's come back to up here. Let's come back up here and centralize it. That is to put our gravity center. Okay, we can see that it's visible right now. The hull is visible, but the margin is not quite okay. So let's change it here. Let's change it here. So you can put the margin. You can put the margin start at 4 dp and also the margin end at 4 dp. You get me? Margin start at 4 dp and the margin end at 4 dp. So let's come to, yeah. So margin start at 4 dp and margin end at 4 dp. So you can see now it's quite looking okay and nice. I say it's looking okay and nice. So the last part we are doing here is to add our our create new Facebook account. So that is the last thing we are doing here. So for us to add this, we come down here. So for us to do this now, come down here, we add our button. So the up will be wrap content, wrap content, and the other test will be create new Facebook account. And I will stuff. Yeah, Otes capital. Otes capital. Set it to false. And our gravity will be center. So that will be center. Yeah, sorry. The this will be our layout graffiti. Layout graffiti. This will be our layout graffiti, and our layout graffiti will be center. So the next thing is to change the color. So the next thing for us to do is to change the color background color. Change this color to color green. So the text color is color green. So the color code is ash 30A24E. Sorry, background int. We're supposed to check it. Background is not text color. Background int. Background int. So you can see that's our text color. You can see there that's our text color. So we are done with so you can see we are done with this. But what is not good very good there is that we have to margin the stuff so we can add margin. So the first thing now is to add margin. So for us to add margin now, we add margin from the relative layout from this full background there. From the relative layout, we add margin. So in this relative layout, we add our margin button about 64 dp. And see, yeah, that's margin here now. So let's go to login button. So this login part, let's put our margin top maybe about 16 dp, 16 dp. You can see it, and also forget password. You can copy same thing. Forget password. Put our margin top 16 dp and create account. And this layout also margin top equals 16 dp. Okay, let's say come down to forget password. Forget password. Okay, you have done forget password. So let's come down to or create new Facebook account. Margin dp 16 pay. So you can see we have run our Facebook successfully. You can see we have created it successfully. You can add your own as you like. Please, if this video help you, please kindly subscribe to this channel for more videos about this. I'll be dropping more videos anytime soon. How to create a